In this video, I'm going to introduce you to DreamDiffusion. It is a paper which has been released by Yunpeng Bai, Xintao Wang, Yan-pei Cao, and few others. And I will paste their names in video description with the due credits. Now, this paper really seems a groundbreaking concept because what it is saying is, in simple words, that it shows the possibility that image reconstruction is also possible from noisy EEG signals. EEG stands for electroencephalography signals, which are primarily the signals or signatures of neural activities and generally are the integrals of active potentials which elicit from the brain with different latencies and population around each time instant. I know it's a mouthful, but it's really a concept which needs to be understood in terms of this paper, and I will also try to do another video to make it as simple as possible. Okay. Now coming back to the paper, if you look at this GitHub repo, to which I will also paste the link in video's description, it's primarily a framework for generating high quality images from these EEG signals. Now, the thing is that there have been a lot of research papers and even products which are in the out, which are demonstrating that it is possible to obtain high quality reconstruction of what the human was watching solely from fMRI signals captured at the moment. So this paper has taken it a step up where they show the possibility that this can be done even with the noisy EEG signals. And the thing is that collection of these EEG signal is fairly easy due to the modality being portable in fMRI signals and the cost being much lower. And the signal is known to be notoriously noisy. So, and this is what this paper is trying to solve. And the resulting model, which you can also see here in the detail given on their video's description, shows that um, is shown to capture the coarse class level semantics from the noisy EEG signals. So I'm not going to go into the detail of this paper's intricacies. I'll post the link, and you, if you like, you can go read it. The good thing is that they have also given in their repo to set the environment up and also pre-training this EEG data with simple Python code. So you can just create your own server and try this model out. I hope that this was interesting. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comments. Thank you.